Hello guys, I am Rajveer and you are watching the Coding Junction. This is my first video. In this channel, I am going to post some videos about coding. So first, we will learn about block coding in MIT App Inventor. Let's get started with our first app. But before that, I need to give you some information. First information is that you need to use a PC or a desktop for block coding in MIT App Inventor. And for testing and downloading the app which you will make, you need to download an app from the Play Store or App Store, which is MIT AI2 Companion. So I will teach you how to use that. But before that, we need to make our app. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, search for MIT App Inventor and click on the first option, and this page will appear. So you need to click on the create apps. For me, this thing is coming directly, but for you, first terms and condition page will come. You need to accept that, and then you need to sign in with your Gmail account, and then some things will pop up over here. So you need to close that, and you need to click on the start new project over here. So our first project is about Sophia. Sophia is a human robot. So we will make an app about that robot. So give it a name as Sophia, and after that click on OK. I have made that first only, so I will open here. So this is how the Sophia looks. So let me tell you some components about in the designing part. So this is the designing place, and here we design for everything. This thing which is over here, I have designed, and then I have coded in blocks over here. So this is designer screen and this is the block screen. So first we need to make this. For that, this is a label which is here in the user interface below the palette. So just drag and drop. You need to drag and drop it over here. Before that, click on the back screen which is default. So first you make this center align horizontal. So the thing first it was like this, everything at the left side, but it does not look so good. So center, if you want you can do this, or it is fine. Now vertical alignment also I've done as center. So it is on you, if you want you can take that. Now you can make your screen scrollable, and the thing which is coming over here, screen 1, if you want to hide this, go at the bottom and uncheck the title visible. So see what happens. So this looks better. So over here you have selected the label. So now you can change the properties below the properties thing, and first I will change the background color to cyan, then font bold, so this thing became bold, and font size you can take anything. I am taking 20, and fontalic. So by this your text can become a little bit slanting, and now you, if you want, you can change the font typeface. So this is looking good. Now these properties are not of our use now. Now you just come to text over here. So over here you can write human robot. So Sophia, or you can simply write Sophia. Click on enter. So it appears over here. After that we need this image over here. What to do for that? For that, from the palette in the user interface. The fourth option, we need to drag and drop the label image button, image option. So just drag and drop it below the Sophia thing, and now click on it. But we don't have the photo of Sophia. What to do? So now we need to download the photo of Sophia. So you can download from your web browser. I will type for human robot Sophia. So you can download any image. So I'm downloading this image. So just click on the save image as and click OK in the downloads. I am doing this. So now it is downloaded. Again go to MIT App Inventor. In the properties of image, this picture, it is none. So left click on it. Now upload file. Now you need to click on this rectangle, choose file. So I will, wherever you have stored that, just click on that and open. So it will take 1 to 2 some seconds to come over here on the screen. Now you can see the whole screen is occupied because of that. So we need to set that. First we will go in height and make it to 60%. But now also it is not fine. So width we will make 70%. And now you see it is at the right side. So we need to decrease the width. So we will make it 60%. Now it is fine. It is at the center. Now we need only one thing, which is one button. So we just drag and drop the button, and now again we can change the properties, the background color to any color, and font bold, size 20, and font type anything you want, and button. So what this button does, so whenever we click on this button, we will be able to hear something like by Sophia. So I can write a text in the button like click here to hear Sophia's voice. So it is not actually Sophia's voice, but it is possible by the. So now here see, we have written too much and it is not coming properly. For that you need to make the text alignment to center, and then width you need to make it 10%. So oh no, height you need to make 10%. What am I doing? So height 10%. It is now also not happening. So for this problem, I have found the solution. You can take the width as 90 and the height as 15. So it is in the center and now it is fine. Now we need to take one component by which we need to write the text in the blocks part, and after that when we click on this button, we will be able to hear Sophia's voice. So for that I'm taking the component text to speech from the media in palette. So now we are done with our designing. So now let's go to blocks, which is the main coding thing. So what we need to do in the blocks, it is nothing, it is very much simple. So first let me introduce with the blocks in the button. So we are taking when button 1 dot click do. So what happens, like whenever we, what we want is, when we click on the button 1, we want to hear Sophia's sound. So for that, when the button 1 is click, we need to hear the Sophia sound. So we need to take this text to speech component. So the third thing, call text to speech speak message. So we need to write the message, and then it will change into speech by Sophia. So for that, go into text in built in blocks and take the first thing, empty blank thing. Now click on this light pink thing and write whatever message you want from Sophia. Like I will write, "Hi, I am a human robot, Sophia. I have a citizenship." So this robot, Sophia, has a citizenship of Saudi Arabia. I have a citizenship of Saudi Arabia. So this much is fine. Now we are done with the app. It is very easy. So today we have only used four components: label, image, button and text to speech, and encoding only two: button and text to speech. So this is very easy. But how do we know that it is working properly or not? So for that, we need to test. We will test with two things. Number one, first we need to connect. Like click on the connect button over here and choose AI companion. So you will get this QR code and you need to scan this. For that, I had told you to download. For that, we need to download an app which is MIT AI to Companion, which is MIT App Companion. So it looks like this. First, you need to download that, and you have two options for connecting your MIT App Inventor screen with this app. So I will click on this scan QR code, and you need to allow all the notifications. So just scan. So I scanned, and now it is coming over here. It is loading. So once it loads, it will come over here and I will show you how it works. So here is all the thing that we design and coded. So I will click on this button and see what happens.
Hi, I am a human robot Sophia. I have a citizenship of Saudi Arabia.
See, so we had written, hi, I am a human robot Sophia. I have a citizenship of Saudi Arabia. So the same thing came as a speech. So this is the work of text to speech component. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, then the subscribe, and if you want, you can comment also. And please share as much as you can. Bye bye.